Morning, I wanted to give a few comments about the first essay that was due for Comp 2. Several students made a similar approach to the topic, and I'd like to ask you to do some redirection if you did this approach. Please notice that the prompt asked you to focus on the process for discovering a pathway after school. Many students talked about the process of getting accepted into college, and other students talked about a comparison of the different options available after college, laying them out in a really good comparison and contrast approach, and then making an evaluation of which one they think is best. While that's very useful, and you guys have probably recently been through all of that yourselves, that's not quite what this essay is asking you to do. This essay is asking you to talk about the actions that a young person can go through, the conversations a young person can have, maybe the research they could conduct, any kinds of steps that they can take in the process of finding their best option. It's important to note that this assignment assumes there is no one right option for everybody. So if you write a paper that says going to college is the best for everybody, you should expect that that's not going to earn full credit as a final. It does not match an underlying assumption of the paper. As you make your revisions, please look for a file that I have just uploaded to the very first module of the course that is tips for how to do revision of any paper at all. Not only are you going to want to make sure that you've checked commas and punctuation, you're going to want to scrub your paper. You're going to want to make sure every sentence is written as carefully, as directly, and with the most interesting language that you can. You're going to want to craft this final draft of your paper. Now you have several days left to do this. And I would like to say that for those of you who have not received individual feedback yet, it's on the way. Giving feedback on these essays individually has taken me much more time than I anticipated, and I teach more than one section of this class. So you may feel like, it's just one paper, why is she waiting so long? I am not. I'm plowing through a very large stack of papers across several classes. So I'm working on getting that feedback to you as quickly as I can. In the meantime, please take this feedback from this video into account and start making your revisions the best you can with feedback from your peer reader, which you do already have. Thanks.